Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a little tiny haul from the Dollar Tree and from Michael's. Tiny. This is from the Dollar Tree. By the time this video is up, this will already be used, but I'm using this for a project that I have to create something with, so just showing it, because by the time you see it, it'll be deconstructed. Pick these decorative fillers up. They had it in silver, gold, green, and brown, I believe. 4 different decorative filler sets. Very pretty, very fall. Of course, it's like 81 degrees outside right now. This butterfly die cuts. I know I don't remember having purple though. I remember having pink, blue, and orange. I swear these are different than the other set. They look different because I don't remember like this one. I think these are different. Maybe I'm wrong. I gotta go pull out my other set, but they look different to me than the other ones. I don't know. They could be absolutely the same, so I may just have some other ones. But the purple threw me off. It was different. And then the pink one looked different for some reason. Some of these pink ones. So I don't know. Let me know below if it's the same set or they're different. But for some reason they look different than the ones they had out before. So just to make sure, I went on and got them because I figured if I didn't, they'd be gone. Then I went to Michael's. Got some more of the double-sided tape. And this, all I got was 2 sticker books. They had a ton of different brands of sticker books, Recollections, Capital Chic, but they had maybe 4 other brands out, and the pinks and the purples and the greens and the hot pinks, and I took pictures of them. I'll put them on my Instagram, and they might already be up. This says 933 stickers. They both were $9.99. Of course, I used my little 20% off. I got it just because there's some scriptures in here, and they're clear, like kind words of honeycomb. Sweetness to the soul. Follow your path. See with faith. It is well with my soul. God is making a way. Believe. Rejoice in hope. Be patient in tribulation. Be constant in prayer. Just different, scriptures. And some washi borders. Here's some more up here. And these again clear. Glory to God. You are the light of the world. Cast all your anxiety on, cast all your cares, or cancel all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. Be an encourager. Be strong or courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. That was one of the first scriptures my grandmother made me learn. I thank God for that, because that'll hold you down in any kind of situation. But anyway, so these got that. Then I saw this one too. I saw this one first and I had to get this one. So this one is 1094 Capital Chic. I got the little girls last week. This one got your little regular iconology stuff for your planners. Some strips here. Your banners. Some more little strips that you can write on. Some banners and flags. Some washi borders. The whole black and white theme with splashes of gold and gold. Of course, the ladies and their stickers. And this says, I thought someone said something about my sticker collection. It's got the crown, the shoes, and the cameras. Don't stop till you're proud. Reminder, get it done. Important. Shopping list. Today, things to do. Do your best. You're golden. Stay bold. Fire in her soul. And it says things like, make it fun. Dream, think, vision. I am fearless. You earned this. Take the risk. Stay true. You got this. Get it done. Inhale, confidence. Exhale, doubt. Bold as my lipstick. Fearless. You're amazing. Be a person of value. Power hour. Live your best life. So just some different, things. Risk, no reward. So I got those 2 sets. Didn't need any more. But that's my little tiny haul. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. It is sunny outside. I mean, gorgeous. This weather where I live at is just like literally last week this time we had snow. I mean, you know, usually it's within 24 hours the weather changes. But anyway, it's gorgeous today. I'm excited. It's beautiful. All these bumblebees outside, flying outside of my window. I can see them. Spring is in the air. So anyway, take care. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. God bless. And I dare you to be creative.